my sister walked away. And so we've been trying to find them. Good morning, you beautiful being. Outfit today is looking like black shirt from Urban Outfitters, and then these black shorts from H&M, and then
look in the mail.
And then with that we got our Fila shoes on. Haters go hate, but I like my Filas, okay?
What's wrong? You've been asking, but I don't have an answer. How come I'm still thinking?
Where are you going?
So the bus is here now. It's a little bit of a drizzle, which kind of sucks. Oh my god. We're about to head out.
Yeah, why?
Hey,
Why? Yeah, I have my passes on my phone. Is that okay? Or I need a printout?
What you waiting for?
For Disney.
Oh no, you need it, sir. You need it.
On the phone I have.
You need it, sir.
You guys take so long only to forget the buses. Yeah. Oh yeah. You were. We are on the official train to Magic Kingdom. Because there are so many parks, there's actually a train for each park from the entrance that takes you to each of the parks. Today we're going to Magic Kingdom. I am so excited. Why? What is the train for? We're going to Magic Kingdom.
Hey baby, won't you look my way? I can be your new addiction. Hey baby, what you gotta say? All you're giving me is fiction. I'm a side.
It's literally like whenever you watch shows and you're like, oh, I wish I could talk to that character, or I wish I could go in that like cartoon house. I can literally go in now.
It started with a whisper, and that was when I kissed her, and then she made my lips hurt. I could hear the chit-chat.
Bit of controversy happening over here.
Keep recording, keep recording. Y'all, check it out. We're going on this ride. It's the #1 ride at Disney World. I am so scared right now. Splash Mountain. Ready? Hell. We just found out that it's a 50 feet drop. 50 feet drop. Oh my god. Four.
It's down to Evan.
My god.
Shoot! Once you're seated, pull down on the tail lamp or by your knees under the ground cushion club.
Yeah, right. The laughing place my ass.
It's black.
Yeah, it's black. Something's gonna jump out and.
What? Wait, what? What? What is that? It's still happening.
Yeah! Disney World 2020! Aviana!
Oh my god. Guys, you're going there now.
This is not it. It's just a small one. But it's still scary. Why do we have to do this?
No, it's just a warm-up.
Let me get video. Hi everyone,
Oh my god! We just did that! I hid here. I was like, ah! God, I'm so glad we did it though. We did it. And it's so pretty.
I got the light at least, but
My face, I just watched over that clip. What is she?
yeah, but now we get to see our picture.
She's seen a ghost.
Look at me.
You guys are no better.
Guys, look at
Okay, maybe. Okay, maybe. But I was scared.
मुझे बोल रहा हार्ट अटैक हो जाएगा खुद को हो जाएगा
मुझे तो heart attack हो गया. Conquer my fears, you know? Little tip that I will recommend for y'all: fast pass machines. Wherever in Disney World you find them, go for it. You can book them online, you can reserve them. But if not, like we didn't, you have little machines here. Tap your card. We literally just tapped our cards on this magical button over here, and then it literally gives you a list of rides that are available for fast passes, and you got it. I think Disneyland actually prints it out for you and it's something different, but in Disney World I definitely recommend fast passes because would you look at that? 110 minutes for one ride. No thanks, boo.
Oh, Raya, are you missing your food? I can't do it. Oh my God! Raya, remind me that you need some more lessons. You can't go driving at 16. You're going off track. Come on, Raya, speed up.
This is the fastest it goes.
Really? Where are you bumping me like that for?
What? Disney World!
She's a mad girl. I can tell you she's a mad girl. I'm getting wet and this child is doing nothing about it.
Do you want my jacket?
No. One car space between cars. Did you understand that? Did you not?
No. Okay, I came into this shop just to tell you guys because there's good lighting. Currently in a horror shop. It's right beside the haunted mansion that my dad, sister, my mom, and I were supposed to be in right now. My dad and I were like recording a few videos. We're like, you know, make a few videos from our Instagram account and all that. Only content creators will understand. My mom was so fed up of us doing that because I've been vlogging. My dad's been making his videos all day. We can't find them. My dad is standing outside right now waiting for them while I film this. Because I'm trying to get good lighting and tell you guys, we're supposed to stay here till 11 and I'm so scared because it's only 7 o'clock. Where are they? Update, we are going to the haunted house. They called us and they said we're here, and so we're like, okay, let's find you. But oh my god, where did you go?
You guys, why did you leave
You
us?
told us to be. No, this is stupid.
When it comes
Oh my god, this way, come on. Let's go, come on.
Nobody pray for me. It been that day for me.